Unveiling Artificial Intelligence, a journey into the future. Welcome to Unveiling Artificial Intelligence, a journey into the future. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, its origins, advancements, and its impact on our lives. Join us as we embark on an insightful exploration of AI's past, present, and exciting possibilities for the future. The birth of AI. Our journey begins in the 1950s when the concept of artificial intelligence was first coined. Pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork for AI research, aiming to create machines that could mimic human intelligence. The birth of AI marked the dawn of a new era in technology. Evolution of AI. Over the decades, AI evolved from simple rule-based systems to more complex neural networks and machine learning algorithms. The introduction of deep learning brought breakthroughs in image and speech recognition, revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment. Real-world applications. AI's impact is all around us. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is shaping the way we interact with technology. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, predicting market trends, and even composing music. The possibilities are endless. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ethical considerations arise. Questions about job displacement, bias in algorithms, and data privacy need to be addressed to ensure that AI benefits everyone. Striking the right balance between innovation and responsibility is crucial. Future horizons. Looking ahead, the future of AI holds immense promise. We envision AI-powered healthcare providing personalized treatments, AI-driven education tailored to individual needs, and advancements in robotics that redefine human-machine collaboration. The journey into the future is both exciting and transformative. Conclusion. Our journey through the world of artificial intelligence has taken us from its humble beginnings to its extraordinary potential. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, let us remember that its success lies not only in technological advancements but in our ability to harness its power for the betterment of society. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of artificial intelligence. As we forge ahead, let's embrace the opportunities that AI brings while being mindful of the responsibilities that come with it. Until next time, keep innovating, keep dreaming, and keep embracing the future.